world's toughest bugs. These insects are amazing. Their super tough bodies keep them safe from predators that want to eat them. Bombarder Beetle, Diabolical Ironclad Beetle, Armored Cricket. Whoa. Boys and girls, write your first name, last name, and date at the bottom of your Scholastic News. These bugs are tough. The world is a dangerous place for insects. People squish them. Birds snatch them up. All kinds of animals eat them. But some insects fight back. We found 3 of the world's toughest insects. As you read, think about how each insect's body keeps it safe from predators. Can't crush this. A bumpy black beetle scurries across a parking lot. Here comes a car! Oh no! It's going to crush the bug! The car drives over the beetle, and the beetle is fine. This tough bug is the Diabolical Ironclad Beetle. This right here is the pronunciation of this word right here. So if I didn't know how to say this word, this breaks it up into what each syllable sounds like. So diabolical. Diabolical. It has a strong exoskeleton. That's the hard covering on some insects' bodies. Not even a car can crush this bug. In the wild, cars don't run over beetles. But having a super strong body is still important. A beetle makes a good meal for a bird or a rat. But predators can't bite into this beetle. They give up and the beetle runs away to safety. Diabolical Ironclad Beetle. Watch out for spikes! Our next bug is even tougher to eat. This armored cricket has sharp spikes all over its body. It looks like a video game monster. The spikes are a defense. They keep the cricket safe. Predators won't even try to chomp down on the cricket. They don't want spikes in their mouth. The cricket hops around without anyone bugging it. And there's the armored cricket. Beware, beetle butt. What? This last insect may not seem like much. It does not have spikes, and its body isn't very strong, but it has a secret in its butt. Say hi to the Bombarder Beetle. When it gets scared, it does something shocking. It shoots a super hot liquid out of its rear end. The liquid has chemicals that can hurt predators. It stops them in their tracks. That gives the beetle time to hurry away. These 3 bugs sure are tough. Their incredible bodies tell predators, stay away. And there's a photograph of the Bombarder Beetle.
Dance break!
Let's move like insects. Flutter like a butterfly. Hop like a grasshopper. Stand like a ladybug. Stretch like a caterpillar.
Freeze! Now take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Let it out. 3, 2, 1. Now, up to the ground.
Look at the diagram, then answer the questions. Insect body diagram. Okay, we have all insects have 3 body parts. This body part is the head. This body part is the thorax, this part right here. This body part is the abdomen down here. All insects have 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Most insects have wings. This is a diagram of a wasp. Blank insects have a head. All, most, or no. Blank insects have wings. All, most, or no. Which is greater, the number of body parts an insect has or the number of legs it has? Body parts, legs, or are they the same? I'm going to read that one again. Which is greater, the number of body parts an insect has or the number of legs it has? Which one is greater? Body parts, legs, or they're the same? Question 4. The wings are on the head, thorax, or abdomen? Where are the wings? Bonus, also known as a challenge question, also known as yes, you must answer. Is this an insect? Is this right here an insect? Why or why not? Use what you learned from this diagram to help you figure out, is this an insect or not an insect, and why or why not?
The wild world of bugs. What has no bones, 6 legs, and eyes made up of thousands of tiny lenses? Insects. These amazing animals all have a hard outer shell called an exoskeleton. It's broken up into 3 parts or segments: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. This body plan is something all insects have in common. Ants, flies, and beetles are examples of insects. People often think that the words bug and insect mean the same thing, but actually, not all bugs are insects. Spiders, for example, are called arachnids. Unlike insects, arachnids have 8 legs, and their exoskeletons are broken up into only 2 segments, the cephalothorax and the abdomen. Other types of arachnids include scorpions, ticks, and mites. Both insects and arachnids have been on Earth for a very long time. Their earliest known fossils are about 500 million years old. That means that bugs appeared more than 100 million years before the first dinosaurs. There are millions of different types of bugs making a home in just about every habitat you can think of. Where have you seen